Accidents happen, and a cracked screen can be frustrating. But worry not, we have a greener and more affordable screen repair solution for your Galaxy device. Let's understand the conventional screen repair process. When a screen is damaged, it typically requires changing all modules attached to it. But with our innovative technology, precise parts can be repaired without the need to change everything, only replacing the faulty part. Choose our screen repair for high-quality fixes and enjoy savings. Previously available for 15 selected phone models, we've now extended the service to cover more than 25 models. To access the service, you can either visit any of our 5 service centers or opt for our convenient pickup and delivery repair service. To top it off, when choosing screen repair, you also play a part in reducing wastage for a greener environment. Cracked screens, shattered dreams. We're here to restore your Galaxy's glory. Experience the new era of screen repair.